In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a constant contact email to one person. We'll start right from the beginning. Open your browser and search for Constant Contact on Google. From the results, click through to the official Constant Contact website so you're on the secure sign-in page. On the homepage, select Login, then sign in with your account. Use your usual credentials and make sure you're logging into the correct workspace for your organization. Once you're in, you may already have an email campaign ready to go. If you need to create one first, click Create, then choose Start from Blank to begin drafting the message you plan to send. Keep it simple and focused. This email will be going to a single recipient. If you've already created the email you want to use, you can move on to the next part. Next, head to the Contacts area. This is where you'll find the individual you want to reach. Use the search bar to quickly locate the person by name or email address. Then, when their record appears, check the box beside their email to select them. It's important that only one box is checked here so the message goes to one person and not a group. With that contact selected, open the Actions menu and choose Quick Send Email. Quick Send is perfect for sending an existing campaign directly to a specific contact without building a new list or scheduling a full send. It uses the content you've already created. A list of your available emails will appear. Click the email you want to send. This can be the campaign you just created or any previous email you'd like to reuse for this person. After selecting it, click Continue to move to the confirmation step. This is a good moment to double check that you've selected the correct recipient and the correct email campaign. Ensuring the right match here prevents accidental sends. When everything looks correct, click Send Now. The message will be delivered immediately to that one contact. Keep in mind that Send Now happens right away, so confirm your selection before you proceed. A few quick tips as you work through this. Make sure the contact has permission to receive emails from you, as Constant Contact honors unsubscribes and will not send to opted-out addresses. If you don't see the contact, try refining your search. And remember, Quick Send uses the subject line from name and content from the chosen campaign, so prepare that email the way you want it to appear before you send. That's all you need to send a Constant Contact email to one person with confidence.